Today we make beef koftas. It's a Middle Eastern inspired kebab. We're grilling, baby. 1 pound Lars lean ground beef. 1/4 cup grated onion. 1/4 cup parsley. 2 garlic cloves grated. 1 lemon grated. Mint, smell that? Chop it. 2 tablespoons. 1½ teaspoon cumin. 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Kosher salt. Pepper. Mix it. Get in there. Don't be a wimp. Divide the mixture evenly among 4. Spray the skewers. Wrap the skewer, forming a torpedo. Refrigerate 30 minutes to chill and set so they don't fall off the skewers. Now we make the yogurt sauce. Roll the lemon. 7 ounces Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons parsley. Pinch kosher salt. Whisk. Olive oil. Heat grill, medium heat. Oil the grates. Add the kebabis. Grill 8 minutes, turn halfway. Our yogurt. Pickled onions. Fresh lemon. Olive oil.